Oh. I'm not done yet. Oh my God, how are you? I missed you so much. I'm sorry if I need you in the nuts. Sorry. I missed you. I can't believe you dressed up like that for me. Oh my God. Oh my God, did I knock your head off?
Yeah.
He will be soon.
You said he would be home by 8:15.
Hello. Hey.
That's what that is all about. I just go along with everything. I just think in everybody. She will.
They can't reach me, 'cause I'm touched.
Okay, so today Aiden got a letter from his elf and Sophie's elf saying that, what did it say?
It said, well, Santa, well, I lost my bike.
His bike was stolen.
Yes. And Santa got me a new one.
Well, you don't know. It said he has something here that you've been missing, right?
It's probably the same bike.
Okay, well, you can't turn around until I tell you. Do you understand? Aiden, come stand right here. Come stand next to your sister. You cannot turn around until I tell you, even if the garage door opens, okay? Don't turn around yet. All right? Don't turn around yet. All right, you can turn around.
Daddy!
surprise!
No bike, Aiden, but this is better, yeah?
I'm home.
Aiden, Sophie, are you surprised?
Everyone's attention right behind us in the video board, and Robert has something to say for all of us.
Hey guys, how you doing? It's me, Simon from Romania. First of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for the opportunity to do this. One to the team, plus the event, and to Alex, hope you get to see this sometime in your travels on the new event. Ray, thanks for everything. Hope you get the tissues. Barney, Alex, Haley, the whole family. I love you guys. Miss you. And I will be home shortly. If everything goes right, very shortly. Can't put into words how much I miss you guys. I love you, and I will see you all over.
Alright, now we would like to welcome Alex up to just in front of him, who is Robert's son, and he will throw out his first pitch. So Alex, go ahead and throw your first pitch. Great job. Go ahead, we'll get some ball from our catcher here. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me and the rest of the River Band staff in welcoming home Shelton first class out of the school. Welcome home one more time. The Sergeant First
I gave him already. She went around and handed them out. She rolls. I did. You're coming here today? Oh my goodness. I've been traveling for 24 hours.
Are you home for everything you sell, and we're available to you at 13 Midwest locations. Unique cost competitive training, services, and products delivered on time within your budget. Contact S.J. Smith today.
He was like in the way as we were like marching out. I was like, jump, jump, jump.
Hey!
that, Emily?
Emily, go up to
Emily, look. What does that say? Is that a big present for you? Is that a big present for you? Unwrap it. It says to Emily Thoman from Santa Claus. Open it. You gotta rip it, baby. Rip it open. Rip it open. Here. Here, no. Here, grab it right here, baby.
grab it right here.
Grab it right here and rip it. Okay, unwrap it. What is it? What is it? It's a birthday. No, it's Christmas.
Push it over. Pick it up. Oh!
How did you change?
You knew where it was, right?
I just see where I can.
Did Santa Claus bring home Daddy?
Santa brings presents. Santa brings presents. Santa brings presents. Go inside, Emmy. Santa brings presents.
Because she don't want to go inside.
Come on, let's go inside.
Emily, dude.
Look what Santa got you. Emmy, a bigger bite. Thank you.
She don't care about no big girl bike.
Take over there.
Thanksgiving. I'm Jonalee Merkel. Stephanie and Eric are off tonight. A Merrill soldier is catching up with his family after serving his country for the last year in Afghanistan. But his family didn't know he would be celebrating with them today. Julia Fellow was there as the soldier and his brother surprised their parents.
Actually, about this time last year, I left first Mississippi, then Afghanistan, and I just came back.
National Guard Staff Sergeant Daniel Berger couldn't be more excited to be back home from serving his country.
We were route clearance. My unit, the 951st Sapper Company, came home on Saturday. I was trailing behind them a little bit. I stayed in Afghanistan to do some other things before I came home. My commander called one morning 2 days ago and said, "You're coming back."
Staff Sergeant Berger quickly made his next mission, surprising his parents for Thanksgiving.
We are going to pretend that I'm a dead deer, and I have my rack here. It's not much of a rack, but it's just going to be peeking out of the blanket.
You see your hands, space them out. Just do one.
We already called our parents, told them that Mark shot a buck this morning.
That was really good.
And when he pulls in, there's going to be the buck, that's me, underneath the tarp in the back, and they'll come out to see the deer, and there I'll be. All right, button cam's rocking.
The hard part was getting his parents to fall for the trick.
It's a nice deer.
What was
it's a little smaller.
Can we look at it or what?
What? Yeah, go ahead.
Open it up.
We never expected this. We went out to look at a deer in the back of a truck, and all of a sudden there pops out Dan. Yeah, we were hoping that he would make it for Thanksgiving, and we are just so thrilled. Unbelievably special, because we've got another son that is on leave from Iraq right now, and he's home, so we've got everybody, our whole family together. So it's awesome. Just couldn't ask for anything better.
How could I possibly find words to say that? It's just incredible. Especially this guy. I never thought I'd see him until next week.
We did a really important job there. I'm proud of what we've done, definitely, and it's well worth it. I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
And through the magic of the holidays, this wonderful family is able to be together again. In Merrill,
Happy Thanksgiving!
Julia Fellow, News Channel